Have you ever wondered how to stay ahead in the fast-paced world of dropshipping? The e-commerce landscape is constantly evolving, and if you're not keeping up, you're falling behind. We all know the thrill of finding a winning product, the satisfaction of a smooth order fulfillment, and the joy of a happy customer. But what if you could make that process even easier, faster, and more profitable? What if there were tools and features designed to give you an unfair advantage in the marketplace? Well, that's exactly what we're diving into today. We're talking about Spocket, a platform that has consistently proven itself to be a game-changer for dropshippers. But it's not enough to just know about Spocket. You need to know what's new, what's been improved, and what innovations are ready to supercharge your business right now. Forget outdated strategies and stale product lists. We're looking at the cutting edge, the features that will define successful dropshipping in 2025 and beyond. Let's set the scene. The dropshipping industry is booming, projected to reach a staggering $2.241 billion by 2033. But with growth comes competition. To truly thrive, you need efficiency, reliability, and access to products that stand out. This is where Spocket steps in, continually refining its marketplace to meet the demands of modern entrepreneurs. They're not just adding new products. They're fundamentally enhancing the way you do business. So, what are these exciting new developments on the Spocket Marketplace? Let's break it down, starting with the biggest leaps forward: artificial intelligence and automation. The power of AI-driven dropshipping. One of the most significant advancements on Spocket is the deeper integration of AI. We're talking about intelligent tools that are designed to do the heavy lifting for you. First, AI-powered product discovery and insights. This isn't just about showing you what's currently trending. Spocket's AI now helps you identify trending products before they peak. Imagine having a crystal ball that tells you which products are about to explode in popularity. This predictive analytics capability leverages machine learning to analyze vast amounts of data, giving you a serious competitive edge. It helps remove the guesswork from product selection, which is critical for new store owners and those managing multiple niches. No more endless scrolling or relying solely on gut feeling. The AI provides data-backed recommendations to optimize your product catalog. Then there's AI automation in Spocket for smart dropshipping. This is where true efficiency comes into play. As soon as a customer places an order, Spocket automatically handles order forwarding, payment, and supplier notification. No manual input needed. This frees up your time to focus on what truly matters: marketing and customer satisfaction. But it goes beyond just order fulfillment. AI-driven inventory syncing ensures your product listings are always up to date, preventing those frustrating out-of-stock scenarios that can lead to disappointed customers and lost sales. Furthermore, machine learning algorithms analyze carrier data to provide more accurate delivery time estimations, reducing customer support requests and building trust. And in the rare event a supplier becomes unavailable, AI-enhanced product matching suggests alternative or similar products, ensuring your store remains profitable without downtime. This level of automation means you can scale your business without getting bogged down in tedious administrative tasks. Enhanced product sourcing and supplier network. Spocket has always prided itself on its curated network of high-quality suppliers, primarily from the US and EU, ensuring faster shipping times and better product quality compared to some global marketplaces. This focus on domestic and regional suppliers remains a core strength, with 80% of their suppliers based in these regions. But what's new is the continuous expansion and refinement of this network. They are consistently vetting new suppliers, with a rigorous quality assurance process that only accepts the top 20% of applications. This commitment to quality minimizes the risk of unreliable suppliers and low-quality products, which is a major pain point for many dropshippers. You get peace of mind knowing the products you're selling meet high standards. Beyond quality, Spocket is also working to increase the diversity of its product catalog. While they emphasize quality over sheer quantity, they are expanding options in key categories like fashion, pet supplies, home decor, electronics, and beauty. You can now use more refined filters to discover trending products, including options like ships from USA shipping under $5, or premium, to quickly find products that align with your business strategy. There's even a new Alibaba and Temu tab to help you discover high-volume sellers from these broader marketplaces, offering more flexibility while maintaining Spocket's quality focus. Seamless integrations and user experience. A powerful platform is only truly useful if it integrates seamlessly with your existing tools and is easy to use. Spocket understands this, and they've been busy enhancing their integrations and overall user experience. Spocket continues to offer one-click installation and real-time syncing with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Wix, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. This means you can instantly import products, sync inventory, and manage orders directly from your existing store dashboard. But they're also expanding their reach. For instance, they've made it easier to integrate with marketplaces like Amazon and eBay, opening up new sales channels for dropshippers. Beyond e-commerce platforms, Spocket is also improving its connectivity with crucial marketing and analytics tools. Full Google Analytics support helps you track store performance, monitor user behavior, and optimize your sales funnels. For those running ad campaigns, pre-designed ad creatives and audience syncing make launching campaigns faster than ever on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. And for advanced users, unofficial Zapier workflows allow you to build custom automations, connecting Spocket with hundreds of other apps like Gmail, Slack, MailChimp, and Notion. This robust integration ecosystem means Spocket truly acts as the central hub for your dropshipping operations. Advanced features for branding and profitability. Spocket is also introducing features that allow for greater brand building and direct impact on your bottom line. Branded invoicing is a significant addition. This allows you to add your logo and a personalized message to invoices, enhancing your brand identity and fostering customer loyalty. This small but impactful detail can elevate your customers' unboxing experience and make your brand feel more established and professional. They've also expanded their options for private label products, particularly in the skincare and beauty lines via Jubilee, allowing you to launch your own branded products without the complexities of manufacturing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.